Lesson: Understanding data brokers and consumer profiling. Data brokers and consumer profiling are pivotal components in the realm of privacy in marketing, advertising, and consumer data. As digital footprints expand, understanding the intricacies of how data brokers operate and the implications of consumer profiling becomes paramount for privacy professionals. This lesson delves into actionable insights, practical tools, and frameworks that can be directly implemented to navigate these complex domains effectively. Data brokers are entities that collect personal information about consumers from a variety of sources and sell or share this data with other companies. These brokers gather data from public records, online activities, and various transactions, creating comprehensive consumer profiles that are invaluable for targeted marketing and advertising. However, the lack of transparency and oversight in data brokerage poses significant privacy concerns. For privacy professionals, understanding the mechanics of data brokerage is essential to safeguarding consumer privacy and implementing robust data protection measures. One of the primary challenges with data brokers is the opacity of their operations. Consumers often remain unaware of who holds their data and how it is being used. This lack of transparency can undermine consumer trust and lead to privacy infringements. To address this, professionals must first develop a thorough understanding of the data brokerage ecosystem. This involves identifying the key players, understanding the types of data collected, and recognizing the purposes for which this data is used. A practical tool for achieving this is the Data Broker Registry, which is a comprehensive database of known data brokers. Privacy professionals can use this registry to track which companies are collecting data and to inform consumers about their rights to access and control their personal information. Consumer profiling, a process closely tied to data brokerage, involves analyzing consumer data to predict behaviors, preferences, and interests. While profiling can enhance personalized marketing and improve customer experiences, it also raises significant privacy concerns. Profiling can lead to discriminatory practices where consumers are unfairly targeted or excluded based on their profiles. Privacy professionals must be equipped to recognize and mitigate these risks. Implementing privacy impact assessments is a strategic approach to evaluating the potential effects of consumer profiling. PIAs help organizations identify privacy risks associated with profiling practices and develop strategies to address them. By integrating PIAs into their workflow, privacy professionals can ensure that consumer profiling is conducted ethically and transparently. A crucial step in managing data broker activities and consumer profiling is ensuring compliance with relevant privacy laws and regulations. In the United States, laws such as the California Consumer Privacy Act and the General Data Protection Regulation in the European Union set stringent requirements for data collection, processing, and sharing. These regulations empower consumers with rights such as data access, rectification, deletion, and portability. Privacy professionals must be well-versed in these legal frameworks and ensure that their organizations adhere to them. Developing a compliance checklist tailored to these regulations can be an effective tool for monitoring and maintaining compliance. This checklist would include key compliance criteria such as obtaining consumer consent, providing clear privacy notices, and implementing robust data security measures. To enhance proficiency in managing data brokers and consumer profiling, privacy professionals should leverage data governance frameworks. These frameworks provide a structured approach to managing data assets, ensuring data quality, and protecting privacy. The Dama-Dienbach framework, for instance, offers a comprehensive guide to data governance practices. It outlines best practices for data stewardship, data quality management, and risk management, all of which are critical for overseeing data broker activities and consumer profiling. By adopting such frameworks, privacy professionals can establish a solid foundation for data governance, ensuring that consumer data is handled responsibly and ethically. Case studies offer valuable insights into the practical application of these concepts. One notable example is the case of Axiom, one of the largest data brokers in the world. Axiom collects data on approximately 700 million consumers worldwide and offers detailed consumer profiles to its clients. In response to mounting privacy concerns, Axiom launched a consumer portal, aboutthedata.com, which allows consumers to view the data the company holds about them and make corrections if necessary. This initiative represents a step towards greater transparency and consumer empowerment in the data brokerage industry. Privacy professionals can draw lessons from Axiom's approach by advocating for similar transparency initiatives within their organizations. Furthermore, statistical data underscores the scale and impact of data brokerage and consumer profiling. A study by the Federal Trade Commission revealed that 9 data brokers collectively held data on almost every U.S. consumer, with some profiles containing thousands of data points. This extensive data collection underscores the importance of rigorous data protection measures and highlights the potential for privacy infringements if data brokers operate without adequate oversight. Privacy professionals must use such statistics to raise awareness about the implications of data brokerage and advocate for stronger regulatory frameworks and industry standards. In conclusion, understanding data brokers and consumer profiling is critical for privacy professionals working in marketing, advertising, and consumer data. By leveraging tools such as the Data Broker Registry and privacy impact assessments, professionals can enhance transparency and mitigate privacy risks. Compliance with privacy laws and the adoption of data governance frameworks further strengthen an organization's ability to manage consumer data responsibly. Case studies and statistics provide practical insights and underscore the importance of robust data protection measures. As the data landscape continues to evolve, privacy professionals must remain vigilant and proactive in safeguarding consumer privacy, ensuring that data brokerage and profiling practices align with ethical and legal standards.